Hey guys, Bella here, and today I'm actually doing a what's in my hospital bag. I am 39 weeks as of yesterday, and yeah, so baby girl can come at any time. So I just wanted to go over really quick what's in my hospital bag, what I felt like I would need, some stuff I might not actually use, but you know, it's better to be prepared than not. So yeah, but to start off, my hospital did give me this book, and in this book we did like our pre-registration and everything, and it actually has a list of everything that my hospital will give me and everything that they suggest that I bring. So I would definitely recommend asking your hospital labor and delivery if they do have like a list of things that they provide. Usually it's around the registration desk. You can ask them, you know, like where you would check in when you go into labor, I guess. Yeah, but definitely I would suggest asking what they provide. That way you will know, you don't have to guess, and you won't overpack or underpack. So really quickly, my hospital told me that they will provide one water mug, linens for bed and bath, tissue, peri bottle, soap for bathing, oversized pads for post-birth, one sitz bath, and mesh panties. And then it tells me what they'll provide for baby, a bulb syringe, a small bottle of baby soap, newborn diapers for the whole length of the stay, one box of baby wipes, one baby cap, alcohol pads for the umbilical cord cleaning, t-shirts for baby during the stay, and swaddle blankets for baby during the stay. And then they have like a suggested list of things that I should bring. So let me show you what I have. One of the main things that I wanted to make sure I packed was my robe. So I wanted to make sure I packed my robe just in case, you know, if I'm getting hot during labor, or if I'm just like, you know, sometimes you don't want all that extra stuff on you. And it's really good to have the robe for the next day. So like when people visit or people come see me, then, you know, I just won't be sitting there just all out. I'll feel comfortable. I'll feel, you know, not like I'm in a hospital, because I'll have this and it's comfy. I also made sure that I packed my nursing bra. So this nursing bra I actually got from Target. It's one of the Medela nursing bras, and I don't actually know if I prefer it or not, but I just know because I haven't actually tried all of them. But I just know I like thick straps, and I like sports bra type materials, because I think they're like just, you know, more comfortable. And these ones, you can pull it down on the side. I don't know if you can tell, let me see. You can pull it down, so you can pull it over, you can pull it to this side, whatever, and you can feed the baby. And it's also a comfortable sports bra. So my plan is, when I actually get admitted, to have my nursing bra. That way, if I do end up taking off the if I do end up taking off the hospital gown, I'll at least have on my nursing bra, and then I can put on my robe. That way the doctors, nurses, whatever, they don't have to complain about, you know, not having access to whatever they want to have access to. So yeah, most of the stuff that I did pack is mainly for comfort. And then of course I have pajama pants. I didn't really bring a lot of pajama shirts because I do plan on being in my my nursing bras for most of the time that I'm there. It's just way more comfortable for me. And if anything, I have like another tank top that I'll show y'all, and I'll put that on. But I just brought, well, I'm packing two like super loose black shorts. Labor and delivery, you know, it get messy, so I didn't want to bring anything that was light, like to be down there, just in case, you know, any mishaps or whatever, it won't just be like everywhere. So I make sure I got two like soft like little pajama shorts to pack. And my hospital said that usually if you do a normal vaginal birth, you'll be there at least 24 hours after the baby is born. So I just like to make sure I pack one extra of everything. So I have 2 pairs of pajamas. I have this is like a long sleeve white shirt, just in case I want to put on a shirt, and I don't know if I want to put on a shirt. And then it's a short sleeve white shirt if I want to put on a shirt. So I have 2 of those, and then I have black underwear. These underwear I got from Walmart. They were like 80 cents, and they're just like regular black underwear, and they are super comfortable. I might not even wear them in the hospital, because you know they give you the pads and all that stuff, so I might not wear it, but I'm packing it just in case, because you never know. Next I have, what else? Oh yeah, my clothes for when I actually leave. So when I leave, I packed this tank top. This is like a it has little cups in it, and then it has, I don't know if you can tell, it has this little like ribbed bring it in kind of siding type, and it's very, very, very stretchy. So I know after you give birth, basically your stomach goes down, and what I've read and what people have said is that, you know, of course the skin is a little loose, and then your baby bump looks about when you're like 6 months pregnant. So I figure if I bring a shirt that's like, you know, kind of fitted, it would be more comfortable for me, because I don't want all that extra skin hanging out everywhere. So yeah, if not, I have 2 t-shirts that I can easily put on. But yeah, I'm packing this for when I go home, the day that I go home. And then I'm also packing these black leggings. These are high-waisted leggings, again for the extra skin. And a lot of people said that after they give birth, they just feel more comfortable with everything packed in. So these are like stretchy material. They don't really have any seams in them. And they're warm because it is January. And you never know what time you're going to go into labor and what time you're going to go home. So it could be the middle of the night, early morning, who knows. And just in case the leggings are not comfortable, or, you know, I don't want anything that's too tight on me, I do have black yoga pants, and these are high-waisted yoga pants as well. I got the tank top and the black leggings from Ross. They were like $4 each, so shout out to Ross. And then these black yoga pants, high waist, super loose, like they're fitted here, and but the legs they're loose, so it's like if I don't want anything all, you know, squishing up on my legs and everything, I can just easily put these on. And these I got from Walmart. I think they were like $10 at Walmart. So that's that for all the clothes. So basically 2 pajamas, nursing bra, 2 t-shirts, 2 optional going home pants, tank top, and a robe. And all of that is in one, let me see if I can show you. No, it's too far, I'm not gonna get it. Okay, so all of that is in like an overnight sleeper bag, and I'm actually sharing the bag with my husband, so his clothes are in there as well. It's like one of our bags that we take when we go on like weekend trips, and it fits both of our things comfortably. We would have been able to fit our toiletries in there too, but I wanted to bring my blanket. So I'm also bringing my super huge blanket. It's like so comfortable, so soft, and it's another comfort thing for me personally, because I do not like hospitals. I don't want to feel like I'm just like a patient, because I mean, even though you are in a hospital, you're admitted, you're not a patient, you're giving birth, you're not sick. So I want to feel as comfortable as possible throughout the whole process. So I'll have my blanket. You know, hospitals are usually cold, and then like when I'm sleeping at night, it's just something, it's a comfort thing. So yeah, and that takes up half of our that takes up half of our overnight bag. So both of our clothes are splitting up one half, and then my blanket is the other half. So then we have another bag that's our toiletry bag, and it's like this big. Oh, and it's like this big. So in our toiletry bag, I have 2 towels. I didn't want to pull everything out because I put it in there really good and really snug. So I have 2 towels. I have a dark towel that's specifically for me, and it's like huge. And then I have a regular towel for my husband, 2 wash rags. And then I'm bringing, this is like a little container that had and still has like a couple of what's these things called, cotton swabs in them, but I'm just using it for the individual sections. And I have extra hairpins in here, extra hair bows, nail clippers, just in case. And I'll probably have my hair in a ponytail when I go to the hospital, so I want to make sure I have extra hair bows and everything just in case, keep my hair out of my face. And I'm also bringing some, always depends, and I'm bringing these just in case the mesh panties aren't comfortable to me, or the pads that they give aren't comfortable for me. I normally don't like to wear pads for regular cycles because I don't know, it just makes me feel like, especially if it's like a heavy, you know, it's like heavy stuff going on down there. I don't know, I just feel more secure knowing, I would feel more secure knowing that I got something that's taking up all that space. Like, I'm not trying to, I don't know, I don't want to feel wet and squishy, and yeah. And then this is like, it doesn't have that plastic feeling that a lot of like overnight pads have on the inside. Like, if you feel some overnight pads, the inside feels like it has a plastic covering, and I just don't like how that feels, especially if you have it on for a long time. Again, it's just another comfort thing. And I'm bringing 3 of them, mainly because I probably won't use it because of what they give in the hospital, but if I do need to use it, I have it, you know. I am also bringing this clear toiletry bag. It's just like a little travel bag, and this has all of my actual like small stuff in it. So I have like a little scrunchie, I have my Carmax, I'm bringing the Earth Mama perennial spray. This is to help with healing, the healing process of like your perineal area. You can spray it in there, not in there, but spray it on there, spray it around there or whatever. It has like witch hazel and other herbs, and it's supposed to help cool. And like when you use your peri bottle, like you use your peri bottle to help clean, and then you spray this afterwards. I'm also bringing my, I don't want to take everything out of here, but I have my face wash in here, my contact case, my eyelashes, eyebrow pencil, concealer, I said Carmex, deodorant, eyelash glue, a travel toothpaste, a travel mouthwash, travel lotion, and then I'm bringing some Lancino nipple cream. And I have hand sanitizer, face moisturizer. Yeah, yes, I think that is it for all of my stuff. I can show y'all what I'm bringing in the baby bag. So I already packed the baby bag mainly for hospital stuff, and then for just to pack my baby bag because I have a lot of stuff and I needed somewhere to put it. So I was like, let me just put it in the baby bag. So I have like wipes over here that I'm not going to use because I'm going to use what the hospital gives me, save my coins. And then I packed 3 outfits. So I have this outfit here, I have this one, and then this one. So all of these have like the little part that you can fold over their hands, because you know they have like super long nails when like babies come out and you don't want them scratching their face and everything. And then I brought 2 swaddle blankets, and then I brought hats and stuff because again it's cold. I'm bringing a folder. I already have it in my bag to make sure I don't leave it, and this folder basically has my birth plan. Oh, it has my birth plan in it typed out. I went over my birth plan already with my doctor. It just has like what I plan to do, what I don't want to happen. But you know, you can't ever actually plan for it. So my point in making this, and it even says it on the thing, is I just want to know what's happening before it happens. Like, I don't want the doctor to, or the nurses to just do something and I'm like I don't understand what's going on, you know what I mean? So it's basically let me know before you do X, Y, and Z. And yeah, if you want me to actually make a video going over my birth plan, I can definitely do that. But yeah, I have that in my bag. I think that's it. If I forgot something that you used and you thought was super necessary, make sure you put it down in the comment box below. Or any recommendations, just let me know and I will definitely be open to it. But I am 39 weeks, so I plan to put this video up this week, but she might plan to make her appearance this week, so hopefully I get it up before then so I can take y'all's recommendations. And yeah, so I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.